Hello viewers, today I want to show about WhatsApp OPT problem and its solution. It is very common problem for WhatsApp user. It can be solution by tricky tricks. Let's get it started. If you don't subscribe this channel till now, please subscribe this channel and press notification bell icon for getting update notification. To solution this problem, go to WhatsApp and press long time, and here see that apps info and go to storage, then clear data. Okay, then clear cache data. Okay, go back, then go permission, and here you see that no permission allowed. So go to call log, allow. Okay, then go SMS, allow, then go storage, allow access to media, then go contact, allow, go back, then go camera, allow, go back, then go microphone, allow, then go back this option, and then go to Play Store. Here can have two options, open and update. If you have update option, of course you should update this WhatsApp group messenger. Here I have no update option, so I enter the open. Okay, and restart your phone and OPT code in your WhatsApp will be solved. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I want to say, if you don't subscribe this channel till now, please subscribe this channel and press notification bell icon for getting update information. Thank you so much.